Yeah, man. Welcome to Fire Chat video, yo. For real? We're in Jamaica in the hills of July. For real?
We have to get on the side of the video.
Take a shot, man.
We're privileged to bring you all the information on some of the foods used in this video from the Sterling Farm in Friendship Trelawny. We're here today with Alex Sterling. So come with us now as we go to the farm with Alex. He's going to explain to us how the foods are grown. We're here today with Alex Sterling on the Sterling Farm, and we're privileged to bring you some information on some of the foods that we're going to use in the video. And the farm is in Friendship Trelawny. Alex is going to show me and you the foods, and he's going to explain how they're grown, and we're going to go to that now.
Go. 1, 2, 3. Action.
Hi, we're here in Friendship Trelawny at the Sterling Farm. We're privileged to bring you some information on some of the foods that we're going to use in the video today. We're here with Alex Sterling. This is his farm. We're going to go around his farm, and he's going to show us some of the foods and give explanations on how they grow. So let's go to that now. Alex, I know from experience that this is a Scotch bonnet pepper, but maybe you can give us some more information on it.
There's not much more information to add. I'm told that this is one of the hottest pepper in Jamaica.
Indeed.
And its flavor is one of the best flavor as well.
Yeah. When does it come into season?
Well, it's in season now, as you can see. They are ripe yellow.
Okay.
You see, when they are not ready, they are green. You see, look, and that's a green one.
Okay, yes.
Yeah.
So there's different grades of heat when they're green from when they're ripe?
Yeah, when they are ripe, they are yellow.
Yeah, yeah,
And
they're
in
much
some
hotter.
cases, some of them is red.
Okay.
But this particular one is yellow.
Okay. Beautiful. So here you have Scotch bonnet peppers.
This is a breadfruit.
Okay.
Yeah. And it's not quite fit as yet. In about 2 weeks' time, this one can be eaten.
Okay.
So breadfruit can be boiled or roast.
Oh, fabulous. I love them fried myself, but you have to roast them first, right? Before you fry them?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Beautiful.
Cassava, go to the cassava field.
Okay.
Yeah, you're
You're walking through. Come through.
Okay.
Not everybody, not everybody.
Yeah, go behind. Okay. We're here at a
about the coconut.
coconut tree.
Going with her, Patrick. Go on.
Okay. Wait.
Let's get it.
What are we doing?
Don't worry about it.
All right. So.
You explain the dwarf coconut tree. You can also explain that we used to have the very.
Okay.
This particular one is 4 years old.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, so these are called jelly coconut.
Okay.
Right? And then you have the dry coconut here.
These are the dried ones.
These are dry ones. Yeah?
How many times a year do these come in?
But as you can see, our very young ones die.
Uh-huh.
And they graduate like that. They keep bearing until the tree dies.
Okay.
Doesn't stop.
Okay. And how long of a life does a tree like this have?
Well, these dwarf, they are between 2 and 10 years.
Okay.
Where the ordinary coconut might have up to 60, 70 years.
Okay.
And so you know, this is where we get our coconut juice and a coconut water from. So, you know.
Okay, we're gonna drink some of that later.
I think we should do that now.
Yeah.
Though. You know,
Okay.
I'm dying to drink one of these.
Sounds good to me.
Yeah. Yeah, coconut.
This is not a professional cut, you know.
Yeah, this.
This is the old time cut, this is.
And also, we get our coconut oils from the dried coconuts. Ooh.
This is
That's gorgeous.
Ah, man. Man,
Some of it is hard.
delicious, man. This is only in Jamaica, man. Trust me.
Beautiful.
And check this out. I'm not sharing any.
Who's having this one?
And
I will.
as you can see in here, the jelly inside here. We're gonna scoop that out later, man, because I want this. I'm eating all this.
Cheers.
Cheers, yeah.
Oh, here we have an American tourist.
Hey, Jazzy.
I like this too.
Okay, enjoy.
You like coconuts, huh?
Oh yeah, I like coconuts. Nice drink.
All right.
Done that before.
Yes.
Many
This is
times.
an
Eat the jelly
experienced
too.
tourist.
Show me how we do the jelly. How we get to it. See, that's a spoon. Bam. See how skilled he is with it, with the machete? Ooh.
Yeah, chop it too hard and it'll get you and split your arm.
Yeah, you don't want that, man.
See? So went all the way through.
Okay.
See spoon? Your spoon?
Okay.
Okay, this is the jelly, the nice jelly on the inside here. And we'll show you how we just spoon it out like this. This is the first stage of the coconut. And the first stage of this getting hard, you know.
Lovely.
It doesn't get better than this, man. Huh? See?
Great.
Finish drinking that one. This one is slightly harder than that one.
See? Nice jelly. Ah, man.
Lovely. So there you have the coconut tree.
This is a dry one, yeah?
Okay.
This one is the dried coconut. This is the dried stage.
This is one of the way the husk, the husk off.
He's taking the husk off the coconut right now. This is one of the ways, the many ways in which we do it.
Very interesting. Never knew that before. Oh.
That's how it is. Then you use the back of the machete. And then
With that now you can broke the coconut
yeah.
and you see inside of it.
So this is the dried stage.
Oh, this is a dry coconut.
Yeah.
So
Beautiful, huh?
then you can drink this water. It tastes slightly different from the jelly.
Yeah.
Yeah,
See this?
clearer.
It's nice and clear. Nice distilled water.
Fabulous. It's very
Fabulous.
good
Nice
for
and
you,
fresh.
too.
It's very good for you. They have a saying here that this is what we used to wash the heart off. I don't know about that, but
It
yeah,
is
man.
delicious.
You want to have a go at this one? Yeah. Oh. Ooh.
Nice, huh?
I'm also an American tourist too.
Okay.
But you won't be able to have any of these orange now because first of all they're not fit,
Okay.
Yeah. This is the orange shoe.
and the next thing you want, you spray this morning.
Oh, you
Oh.
did. Okay.
See how big this is?
These are young ones.
But these
Oh,
are young.
look at the blossom.
They get bigger.
Okay.
They get real big, like this big.
There's one up there. That's
Oh
what-
yeah, that's a
what
right.
you do
That's a
now.
right one.
That's changing to the right color.
Beautiful. You can already smell the
When it's ripe, it gets real yellow.
yeah.
Now this is a different type because he's ugly.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a bunch of them that is already there. certified on that front.
Ugly oranges, huh?
Yes, okay. But they taste
Someone
nice
like
though.
me.
Very sweet.
I'm ugly.
And lots of water.
How often do these come into season?
Well, this beer all the time.
Okay.
As you can see, some young ones,
Mm-hmm.
some in between, and some ready
Okay.
for eating.
Lovely. So these you can just peel with your finger, right?
Oh yes.
Lovely.
Lots of water in
Oh.
That is beautiful.
I'm eating me some of this, man.
You better give me some too.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Sweet. Whoa, and a lot of juice, man. It's nice, man.
This is amazing.
So you're going to eat some coconut?
Very juicy. Yes? Okay.
Oh yeah, this.
Okay.
And this one is called sweet yam.
Sweet, yeah.
Amazing.
So they are not very big yam, they are small yam. Yeah?
Okay.
So you know, this is not sweet potato. You know, it's a big difference. This is
Right.
yam. You know,
Okay.
Oh,
Wow,
so
it's
yeah.
tiny.
This one is just started.
and this get like real big.
No,
like,
no,
like
not this type.
Not
This
this type?
type is small,
Okay.
up to about 2-pound sizes.
okay, cool,
Okay.
cool.
So, you know, it's not time for them to dig yet. So
Okay.
as you can see, it's very small, you see, and this color that it have there
Yeah,
tells you that it's young.
Okay.
Yeah. Later in the program, we're gonna cook. You know, cook with most of these stuff. You know, some of the stuff that we be showing the video, and you know,
So at
it's
the
gonna be
moment,
fun eating this. You know.
You
Yes.
can get yam that is ready now that is called yellow yam.
Yeah, yellow yam.
Okay.
You have a lot of yellow yam.
And how much longer will that be till it's mature?
Well, these normally January,
Okay.
January.
from January onwards.
Okay.
So it's like six months, or it takes.
The
Well,
period.
more than 6 months, really.
Okay. So in January.
In January you can start digging sweet yam.
Okay.
And it depends on when these yam is planted, and it's very different part of the country.
Okay.
You know, like up in here, part of Trelawny, then they are ready.
Okay.
But down here, if you plant them too early, they die.
Okay.
Oh.
I see.
So everything depends on
the
timing.
timing,
Yeah,
yes,
timing.
So
Yeah.
the time you can plant them.
And
Okay.
depends on where you are in the country. You know.
Okay.
That's what happened in the tropical country, yo.
Yes. Very subject, isn't it? Okay.
So altogether.
So these are the yellow ones.
Now
No,
this one is called renta.
Okay.
These, you see how much bigger they are.
Yeah.
This is one of them that is you know, just bearing as well.
Okay.
So you can see this is a bigger breed.
Okay.
Yeah. So these are the ones that get real big.
Yeah.
You know, came
They
way up.
find good soil and they go up to all 30 pounds.
Yeah, way up to 30 pounds. Yo.
These are the bigger type.
Okay.
We call them renta. And further down we have the yellow yam down there.
Okay.
And they are not ready yet, but we can go down there and show you.
Have a look.
Yeah. Let's go look at the yellow yam.
Yes.
All these are renta.
Okay.
Don't reach to the yellow yam.
Action.
These are yellow yam.
Okay.
Right?
You can tell the leaves. The
Tell,
leaves.
you see, on the vine you have some little prickle.
Yeah.
Okay.
Out here generally it's called a maca.
Yeah, there's some maca on there.
Yeah? So I'll scratch out one of them. You might be able to see them starting to bear down.
Okay.
When it just started to bear. It's not ready yet.
And this will be ready in January as well?
Yes.
Okay.
Bear very late, these. So you won't see much of a yam there at the moment. It's only small, yeah.
But the yellow yam is very popular in Jamaica, right?
Oh yes, especially in this parish, southern Trelawny.
Yeah.
That's where they grow most of these. They don't strive very well down in north.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Southern Trelawny is the country for these.
I see. Okay.
And cassava.
Yeah.
Seriously, cassava, man.
Yeah, these are young cassava. They're only 8 months old. Keep them until they're 18 months.
Oh, so this is only 8 months, so he has like 10 more months.
Yeah.
But it looks like a tree on top, and the rest of these are like vines.
When you're ready to dig them, you normally just pull it and pull them out.
They just come all the way out.
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
You see, you open it in here.
Oh, wow.
It's very well rooted. So,
And it's just the bottom part. That's the cassava itself, right?
Yeah, it's like a tuber. It's like,
you want this what the cassava look like?
yeah.
Right, so you'll have to help me pull this out.
Yeah.
Watch yourself, pull and put it up.
Okay.
Right, and then hold it and shake it. Shake it. No, you have to pull it up.
Okay, and shake
Yeah, together.
Okay.
Yeah, you're not pulling with me, right?
Come on. So when I'm tough, man.
Those are really deeply rooted. I don't think that one wants to come out.
Pull out this.
Gonna see it.
Oh, it's easing out.
You're going to pop it off down there now.
Oh, you
You want
pull
to
it
shake it
straight
and
up.
pull it straight up. Yeah. That's it. Together.
This is a wicked, man.
This is hard.
Oh.
See them? They break off, see?
See?
Wow.
Some of them, 3 of them broke
Okay.
off.
You can see how the inside is white, though. That's lovely.
So that is in cassava.
I love
And then just
cassava, especially
cut it
cassava
off like
dumpling. That's my favorite.
We use this to make bami and pancakes. You know,
Well,
we'll be doing that later in the program.
You
There's a
can,
pancake
you can
mix.
just peel it
Yeah,
and cook it, just like that.
Yeah.
yeah. Also can be peeled and cooked, just like this, just like the yam, you know. But this is more versatile. Can use this to make a lot more stuff.
Yeah.
You know.
Lovely.
Whoa,
It
I'm
has a
working with this.
Very nice taste.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we have to come back and dig that out next time.
Okay.
This can't eat though? No.
Yeah.
Well, let me not go murder this one.
This is cashew.
Okay.
Cashew tree.
The cashew tree. This is huge. How old is this tree?
Oh, this tree is about, well, it's 3 of them actually, not
Okay.
just one.
Uh-huh.
This tree is about 80 years old.
Oh my goodness.
Because when I was a child, I used to go past here
Uh-huh.
to school and they was the same size.
Wow.
I know I'm nearly 70.
That is amazing. This is a beautiful tree. But it's not bearing right now, is it?
No, it's finished bearing now.
Uh-huh.
It
What-
just bear once a year as well.
Uh-huh. When the cashews come out, are they in a pod or?
Well, the cashew is just a soft fruit with a nut on the end of it.
Okay, I see.
Yeah. So if it was bearing now, you know, lots of it would be here. If you looked on the ground, you can see.
Oh,
see?
yes.
These are the nuts that on the end of the can see. This is the fruit. What's the fruit?
I see, okay.
It dried up, and this is the cashew.
And
on
this
the
is the
end.
cashew
Yeah.
itself, okay.
The cashew nut.
Uh-huh.
And these are when it stay and grow up. See?
Okay.
But
That's
I just come and
amazing.
spray them to kill them off because there's too
Okay.
much of them.
Uh-huh. This is amazing because it's so popular in America, but people really don't realize that it comes from a tree like this.
Oh yes, we have lots of cashew nut up there. You know, if you want to look on them.
Okay, maybe we should do that later. So that's the cashew tree. Beautiful.
And then avocado.
Okay.
There's the avocado tree up there.
Oh, should we head up to the avocado?
It's also out of season. This is about a month ago.
Okay.
Avocado.
Okay.
Avocado trees. Like, yeah. All the avocado finishes about a month ago.
Okay.
They only bear once a year.
Oh, okay. Does it yield a lot, a tree like this?
Oh yes, there's hundreds when it bear, there's hundreds and hundreds of them.
Okay. It's beautiful. And this tree, do you know how old this one is?
Oh, this tree could be about 50 years old.
Wow, my goodness. That's amazing. Beautiful. Avocado is a nice touch to a Jamaican meal.
I suppose so.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. That's the avocado tree. Okay. Okay. Oh, look.
They will start shooting, as you can see. Started to flower at the moment.
Right.
So, next another month time, you could come and see corn sticking out on the side of that.
Okay. And these are...
These are just blossom.
Okay. Is it going to turn into the yellow corn?
No, this doesn't turn into the corn.
Oh,
the
okay.
corn comes out on the side.
Oh, this is just a blossom. That's I hear what you're saying. Yeah. Okay. But these are yellow corn. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
The original Indian corn.
Okay. Wonderful. Okay. So what are we going to look at next?
Well, I understand you're a month late.
It's okay as long as we get to see what the tree looks like. So.
Yeah, okay. A tree with guava on it. And if you ever heard about guava jelly.
Yes, I love guava jelly.
Yeah. Well, it's the guava that make the jelly. That over there is a plantain.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Not a banana, it's a plantain.
Right,
Different from banana. So you can see the tree I collected from.
Okay. Oh, cut.
These are the fit ones.
Yeah, this is the guava. This is the guava tree right here. You know, this is where we get our guava jelly, the jam. Yeah, this is it. This is the real thing right here. Right here. Look at this. Look at this baby.
Then cut it open. And
nice.
Like
yeah, open. Open it up.
Yes.
See how it is?
Some of them the inside is red. This particular type is
yellow.
just yellow.
Yeah, this is the yellow. So you have the yellow and the red and the red type. This is great. Here you go.
Some of them fall off. Feed the pigs with them.
It's good. It's sweet. See, I spend more time eating on the video than anything else, man.
so guys, you can see that's a...
this is a field with cassava. This is a cassava field, man. This is like an acre of cassava, man. You have like, thousands of trees over here, man. Cassava trees, man.
This part is an acre.
Whoa. And you have two different type of cassava, right? You got the sweet and the
bitter ones.
And the bitter one.
We have no bitter ones here.
Yeah, the bitter one is said to be the juices from it is said to be poisonous. Is this true?
His old wife tell you it's not poisonous. If you drunk the juice of it, it might give you the tummy, you'll swell up a bit.
Yeah, something like similar to the ackee. Yeah.
But it doesn't really kill you.
It's good.
Yes.
For all you people who like fruits,
Yeah, this is papaya.
this is the papaya.
Yeah, these two is ready. If you pick them out now tomorrow, they will be ready for eating. See it changing color?
And you see, this is 1-3, right? And you see the amount of papaya that's on it. You know, a whole lot of papaya. You know, this is good.
And we have one pumpkin down there where you could film. There's a pumpkin there.
It's a big pumpkin in
Yeah,
there.
it's a big pumpkin.
This here is the pumpkin,
the
guys.
pumpkin
It's
vine.
the vine of pumpkin right here.
This is the vine.
We're gonna show you a huge pumpkin that's hidden over here. Which is cool.
So we can go on the pumpkin after you do the plum.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Gotta do the plum tree.
So
Next.
you can like
Plum.
The June plum.
Okay.
We just checked out the papaya, man.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah, it's nice.
So,
We'll be using
you know,
these, so.
In
this
stew?
is the June plum.
To make salsas
Okay.
or chutney.
That need to
nice.
put down for a couple of days.
Yeah, like for 2-3 days. It'll be
Okay,
nice and
be
yellow.
more fit.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Ah, this is a plum tree.
So you can hold on to this bunch here.
Okay.
And so this is June plum.
Yeah. It's called the June plum, guys.
This
June
is
plum.
June plum.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
That's some ready one.
This you can do a whole lot of stuff with. You can stew this. You can use the juices from it to make drink.
Okay.
June plum drink is very popular here in Jamaica. Oh, here he has.
These are some of the
These are all right.
one that is ready
Okay.
to eat.
These are all right now.
Nice.
It's ready to be eaten, man. This is nice. You just peel the skin off. You know, and just indulge. You know.
Very, very, very sweet. These are.
Yeah, these are real juicy.
We had some earlier in the day. I noticed it has a prickly seed.
Yes.
Oh yeah, it has a prickly seed, and you have to eat around it. Some people, spend time with the knives and cut it off,
Yeah, yeah.
segments, and eat it. But we like to do it like real raw, Jamaican style. Don't be using no knives. You just bite into stuff.
Okay.
You know?
Very refreshing. Though.
Yeah, this is good. See, in Jamaica, you get a lot of fruits, a lot of vegetables, a lot of stuff to eat. It's all about food here,
Yes, it is. These are very interesting. You don't see things like these in the States.
So you want to come here and live, man?
That's a sugar cane.
This is sugar cane. Yes.
You can cut on it and show you.
Okay.
This particular type, we call it the black cane.
Okay.
You cut it down and cut the top off.
Okay.
And this is one black cane.
Okay, that's
You
beautiful.
can hold on to it.
Wow, it's taller than me.
And then that type is called a white cane.
Okay. And how long, so this is in season now?
Well, it's in seasonal time.
Okay.
Yeah. You know, have you noticed there's long sucker there,
Okay.
and then this is the next stage. So they go
Right.
until they mature.
Okay.
So you always have cane for cutting because there are different stages. of
Right,
it.
right. Do you know anything about the process of this becoming sugar? Or-
Yes, well what happened this particular type, they don't make sugarcane from this one. This
Okay.
they just peel this and
And eat it.
Eat it, yeah.
Okay.
the type
like
is
that.
like that cane field over there.
Okay.
That is the type that they cut for take to the estate.
Okay.
When you go to the estate, it's chopped up and ground and extract the juice
Okay.
and it boil it down to a thick consistency, and then they fan out the syrup
Okay.
from the sugar,
Okay.
and they have brown sugar then, and they put it through a further process and they get
Right.
white sugar.
Oh, okay. Interesting.
So we have a pumpkin over there that you can have a look at.
Okay.
Burning it.
Okay. Oh, lovely.
to stop the sun from
ripening too fast.
So
Oh,
this
okay.
is a pumpkin. This one will be about 11 pounds.
Okay.
Not a very big one, but it's big enough.
Okay. That's beautiful. And that you just boil?
Yes,
Right.
what you do, you just cut it, and then sometimes you peel the skin off, or you can boil it with the skin, and then after you can take the skin off when it's boiled. So it's either way, you can peel it before you boil it,
Right.
or you can boil it. Some people make pumpkin pie with it,
Yes.
or you can make pumpkin soup.
Soup. That's lovely. Yes. Okay. So what's next?
Well, it depends on what you want to see.
Okay.
So there's sweet sop over there, sweet sop tree.
Okay. Let's
But
have a look at that.
it don't bear any sweet sap yet.
Okay.
And they also have
Oh, I see.
the tree.
The smallish tree.
Oh no, this is young tree.
Okay.
You know, they go to big trees.
Oh, I see. Okay.
But unfortunately, this one don't reach to the bearing stage yet.
Okay. How much longer?
It don't reach the bearing stage yet. This one is about 4.5 years old.
Okay.
You know, they take quite a number of years before they start to
Oh,
bear.
I see.
Yeah.
Okay, so this one has a few more years yet.
Yeah.
It's just a baby.
So unlike the cherry they bear at about 3 years.
Oh, I see. The Jamaican cherry is very different than American cherry.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Beautiful.
And there's some more there.
Okay.
So you can
Those are
take
lovely.
that off and
Yeah.
taste what it is.
Okay. Mmm. You see the seed? Very different, but lovely.
A different type of. Is that one tangy?
Yeah, this one is
There's
a little
some-
bit sweet, but it's mostly tangy.
Yeah. There's one down there. This is very sweet, almost to a freshness. You know, no tanginess in that one. Down there.
Okay.
But it out of it just ripe off then.
Okay. So that's the cherry tree. Wonderful. What's next?
Well, this also is a young naseberry tree.
Okay.
I don't know if you ever hear about naseberries.
I have tasted it.
All right. Well, this is the case before you can get
Oh,
naseberry off
that's
there.
a long time.
Yeah.
How old is this tree?
This one is about 4 years old.
Okay. It's about another 4 years to go. And will a tree like this yield a lot?
Oh yes, because it goes into a very big tree. Very big.
Okay. Oh, wonderful. We actually had naseberry in a fruit salad. It was really nice. With a whole bunch of other fruits, yeah.
I thought it was a bit soft for going into a fruit salad. Because once they are ripe, it's very soft.
Yeah, it does have a soft, sort of mealy texture.
Extremely sweet, but they're soft.
Yeah. That's true. Okay.
So you can see that half of it is gone yellow.
Okay. Oh,
because
yes.
Ripe.
Okay. Are they going to be this length, or are they going to get longer?
Oh, they're not going anymore.
Okay.
It's once they're ripe, then finish. yeah?
Okay. Oh, look at that.
They won't get any bigger, they just ripen then.
Nice. Gorgeous. Can you explain this part?
Well, this is just all the bananas they shoot with this. And it was up here before. And each time you shed this, it go longer and
Oh,
longer.
I see.
You see, this one go much longer now because the banana is ripe. So we'll cut this off shortly. You know.
Okay. It's amazing.
So when those bananas that you see up there, they was looking like that before.
Oh, wow.
Early
I see.
stage, yeah?
Okay.
You see, so from this all the way down that is how they started out.
Oh, those are the baby bananas. That's so
Yeah.
interesting.
This is the last of it.
Okay.
So after that, now each one of them dried up and fall off.
Okay. So this will just continue down to the ground.
If it didn't reach the ripening stage, you can continue a bit more, but we're going to cut this off. And I said, what go down further?
Okay, I see. That's so interesting.
So this one is called honey banana. Yeah? You cannot boil this one and eat it.
Right, right. It's
You
just
don't-
eaten when it's ripe.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
for eating now.
That's very similar looking.
Well, it's similar, but it's quite different.
Yeah.
This
Okay, what kind of banana is this one?
this one is called a gros Michel.
Okay.
This is the original banana that they had in Jamaica
Oh, is it?
until 1944 when you have a big storm and it destroyed all the bananas in Jamaica.
Oh, I see.
And they replaces it with one they call it Lacatan. And then they replace the Lacatan with another variety,
Oh, okay.
which is commercially grown in St. Mary and St. Thomas. You see, you don't grow much banana for shipping down this part of the country because the area is not fruitful enough for it.
Okay, so these are basically for the use of local.
Yeah, these are just for eating locally.
Okay. And then, so these are the ones that are boiled?
Yeah, that's it, yeah. And they can also have them ripe. Because this one another 2 weeks and they will start to ripen just like you see that one over there.
Okay. And then there'll be completely different dishes. The green boiled one and the fried sweet one or boiled sweet one.
Right. This is very versatile. You can fry them, boil them, roast them,
Yes.
whatever you want to do with them.
Yes. Wonderful. Very, very healthy too.
So this is the same process banana. This is a different type.
What do you call this one?
Well, I'm not quite sure what this one is called.
Okay.
Because it's not a Lacatan and it's not a Gros Michel, it's just one of those bananas. You know?
Okay. The sterling banana.
Now, that one over there, I know what it's called. You know, we call that one.
Oh, wow.
I can show you some of the fit ones in the garage. And
Okay.
so this is called a plantain. If you notice the fingers, them is very big.
Yeah.
But thin one there. Two, two joints together.
Okay. So when you say plantain, this is a tree that you mean?
Yeah, this is plantain.
Okay.
Yeah.
And also you can be eaten ripe as well? Or?
Right.
Okay.
It's very same thing like the
Like the
banana.
banana tree, okay.
This you can roast it, boil it,
Okay.
fry it.
Lovely.
Normally it's best when they are ripe, then you fry them. You know, very sweet.
Okay. Lovely. Wonderful. So what are we going to see next? Is there another banana variety?
Yeah, well, this one here, they call them robusta. Normally have a very big bunch, bigger bunch than this.
Okay.
Yeah? And you notice they're very fairly short.
Yes.
You know, and they always bear great long big bunches. And it's the same way you use it. Roast it, boil it, fry it, whatever you like. Eat them right.
Okay.
Only one thing, they're not very good for ripening. Because once they get very fit, they started to burst
Oh, I see.
and get started to rot it off at the ends.
Okay.
So they're not for ripening, they're just for cooking and eating when they are fit.
Okay. How many weeks does it take when it goes from the baby stage to this?
Well, we call it when it shoots. When it shoots until when you're ready to cut it down. You're talking about 3 months.
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
Okay.
it takes a very long time.
I did not know that. That's
Yeah,
amazing.
it's 3 months it will take
Okay.
from shooting ready to eat.
Wonderful. Very impressive. So that's it for bananas.
Yeah.
Okay.
The only thing we have left to look at now is could be the animals like the pigs, the chicken and the turkeys.
Okay.
Up the animal house up the top. Planting.
Okay.
That is ripe
Uh-huh.
and that's the best time to use them.
Okay.
Fry them or boil them, roast them. Yeah.
Beautiful. And when you boil these ones, you still keep the skin on, right?
No.
No?
We take the skin off
Okay.
and split it. Normally split them down. You know, and if we let them go cold, it's very hard to eat.
Yes, that's true. They get very sort of stiff.
So you have to heat them when they're fairly warm.
Yes, that's true. Okay, these are beautiful. Thank you.
Welcome.
So that's it for bananas.
It adds bitter, so she's gonna get some.
Got a nice fire going here, man.
That wicked hand. Everything blessed? Hold up on it.
Come back. Too hot. But he don't even move, you know. He's right here. Come back. I think he's comfortable.
You can come back. Yeah. Okay.
Got a good fire going.
Yeah. Okay.
Duffy?
You just have to go away from it. You still the pop. You give a good sound.
Give a nice sound.
Hey, me, I feel like crying now, man. 'Cause
What?
fire bring back only for memory, you know?
What that mean? You caught in fire one?
No, that used to burn coal, man. So, you know, this brings back a lot of memories, you know?
Yeah, was it hard? You had to burn it. What memories?
Oh, you still...
You had to go get the coal?
Yeah, we had to get the hood
Haul
and then
the
start the
coal.
hood and then, you know, set the stones up and then put the tree leaves at the side and then throw dirt on it and then you just bake it.
Hey, bro,
You know,
dog.
it's like baking a pone. Yo, Jazzy, what kind of Jamaican food do you like to eat?
I like everything. I like brown stew. I like soup. Just soup.
Anything?
I love it. I love anything. Anything Jamaican, girl.
Burn it?
No, you got it bone.
You have to stop a little.
Hey!
It's going beautiful.
You see, what I like to eat Jamaican is escovitch fish. I love escovitch fish, steamed fish. I just love fish.
Ackee and saltfish.
Yeah, I love ackee and salt. Everybody loves that. As long as you're Jamaican, you love ackee and salt.
Coconut rundown.
You like coconut rum?
Saltfish, yeah.
I like fried dumplings. I like festival. I like everything.
I love the fried dumpling.
One hit you in the eye? You're supposed to wear the glasses, man.
Come this way.
You're in the finger.
Excuse me.
Oh,
You didn't have to.
one hit up on the finger.
We have to.
When do I run, girl? I can't run from fire, Rasta.
No, it's the heat that's thing, you know.
Go on, look.
They really do.
We get the sugar and put some sand in it.
Yes,
Come
put some
from
sand
there,
there.
Come. Boy, it stings. Hey, Patrick, what
Hey.
type of homicide trap is this, man?
This here is straight from Portland Flex. It's some codfish dish.
Red soup. Red
You know?
soup. Nice pumpkin soup with,
Pumpkin soup,
with the chicken.
chicken feet.
You like chicken foot soup?
Love the
Man,
pumpkin
I'm
soup.
telling
man.
you.
Love it.
Curry
So
goat.
Curry goat. Yes.
Curry goat.
Yes, curry goat. With rice and peas.
Amen.
You don't like it with white rice, man?
I like with rice and peas.
What about white rice?
I
Why
can
you be
always
fighting
get,
against
you can always
white rice?
get white rice, but you can't get rice and peas until you come to Jamaica.
That's right.
You get
Hey.
You say you love curry goat with rice and peas.
rice and peas.
Why rice and peas and not white rice?
Because they can always get white rice. Get white rice all over the world, but Jamaica, like in Jamaica, you get good rice and peas, nice and moist. You get the coconut.
To enjoy curry goat.
But this is not a law. This is not a law though. But check this out. When you go to a restaurant, they automatically serve curry with white rice.
If you ask for it, they always ask you with rice and peas. Indeed.
Listen to me, I'm backing white rice.
Goat is
I'm backing rice. No.
You know, let me say, all curry food is nicer with white rice.
I'm saying this.
It's true if you do, but I agree with his point.
Do your taste.
Because, yeah, he does not, you cannot get, what we're talking about, an authentic meal,
Yeah.
right? It's only in Jamaica you can get curry goat,
Good
curry
curry
with good
goat.
rice and peas.
Good rice and peas.
Oh, sure.
Yeah.
I can cook white rice
But-
myself.
But I like brown stew fish, with rice and peas.
Yeah, me too.
Yes.
It's very good.
What kind of peas?
And Kevin like
Rundown.
What
You
kind
like
of
rundown?
rundown with dumpling.
Yeah, I like rundown with dumpling and banana.
Gungo peas or red peas?
Gungo peas are red peas.
Gungo peas, it doesn't matter. Any one of
Just
them.
have some
Gungo
peas in
peas,
there.
red peas, whatever, man.
I prefer gungo peas. Something about gungo peas and rice and peas, that you know, it makes a difference to me. You see, because
it's a
red
better
peas,
mix.
you know what happened? I think you can get red peas all over anywhere almost in the world, but you can't get gungo peas anywhere.
What you say like about dumpling? You say something about dumpling?
The texture, right?
It's wholesome, it's soft.
Filling. What kind?
What kind of dumpling you like though? You like dumpling cornmeal?
Cornmeal dumpling, flour dumpling, cassava dumpling.
Green banana.
Yeah, you ever had cassava?
With green banana?
Cassava, you're great at the
Oh,
cassava.
you love cassava dumpling.
Yeah, proper
You like
Regular dumpling.
banana? What about banana?
Felix
Green banana
dumpling.
dumpling. What kind of dumpling is that, Auntie?
Felix.
What Felix
When
out?
you bite into
Cassava
it, man,
dumpling.
Cassava
when you bite
dumpling,
into it
they
and
call
it sticks, they say, you hear it, it says
Yeah,
Felix.
and then it burns you up
Yeah.
on the top of your gum. Because you know we like our food hot, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But-
Hot as in scotch bonnet pepper and hot as in heat.
Yeah,
You know?
not that watered down American stuff.
What's water then?
Quiet today.
Oh, tobacco? No, we mean the real thing, like scotch bonnet.
No, I know, but I know you're for real. But he's saying that the Tabasco, the Americans say the Tabasco is hot. He said no, it's watered down.
Tell me somebody else's story.
Oh, everybody love ackee and sausage.
Yes, I like ackee and
Everybody.
sausage with a bit of bacon in it.
Yeah.
Ackee and saltfish for breakfast, ackee and codfish for lunch, ackee and codfish for dinner, and midnight snacks too.
And you know, it's a long time that I haven't seen blue draws.
Who's?
Blue draws. You know
Oh, blue jars. Oh.
what is blue draws?
Blue jars is like
It's potato pudding, but we cook it in the leaf. We
With
cook it instead of bacon.
Yeah.
It's the same mixture
You do it
as
with
potato pudding.
no, we do it as banana based.
Potato is the greatest blue draws.
You grate
I
it
think
with meat.
banana is better.
Like just like the pudding.
Which one I prefer? Banana blue
You make
jars
it
or
straight with the
potato blue jars?
potato, and just like the pudding, just the same.
You
just
guys
like we
need to
type
try
in
the
leaf
banana
and
blue
cook
jars.
it.
Anyway, it's called tire leaf, really. You know, tire leaf. We use the banana leaf to wrap this stuff in, and then you boil
We
it.
cook it in the banana leaf.
Yeah, you know.
Duckano, right.
It's called duckano. Yeah.
Yeah, but
No,
really,
dukuno.
Or blue jars, then,
blue
alright?
draws.
You can't go wrong saying blue jars.
Okay, what
Blue.
about bami and saltfish?
Oh, bami and codfish works. Yeah.
Wonderful.
Like
Fried bami, yeah.
what? Cooked up codfish or fried codfish?
Cooked up or fried codfish.
Alright, that's Scooby's codfish cooked up, yeah. You know.
Stew
When I was
peas
a
and
kid, you know how in lottery, all they used to do, they used to grate the coconut and get the
Soak
mix
the
and-
bami?
No, they would get the cassava and have it, you know, we mix the bami, the cassava with grated coconut.
yes.
Yeah?
Then we used to put the pot on and get a bit of oil, maybe fry a bit of salt for,
Yeah.
and that is to grease the, and then you put
Okay.
the coconut, the bami
Yeah?
in it.
And okay, and then you like steam it. You like steam it in
put
there.
it down, and then it baked.
Oh, okay,
It
okay.
come together. Yes,
That
that's how.
tastes good already.
Yeah, but it's how they are doing it now. It has no taste.
Oh,
To me, it has
but it's
no
something
taste.
with just the texture.
What's the temperature?
And
you
it
think
just-
that
We do these modern one like you're doing it, it will last, you see. This is coconut, it let it spoil.
Yeah.
Yes, you know. But we used to really cut up some bits of coconut and grate
Oh,
grate
put it-
it and
okay.
mix it with the cassava. Then when you put it in the pot, it has to be a frying pan,
A skillet.
iron one. Yes.
An iron skillet.
And press them
Like a
together.
bami, so you can press it for the bami.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That type
But-
of
but-
thing is
but
fine,
what I
just make it and have it straight away.
Talking about coconut. Who like drops?
Oh, of course. Coconut
Alright, fine.
drops.
By the way, who like greater cake?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, gizzardo.
Yeah, gizzardo.
Gizzardo.
Yeah.
You know how to make gizzardo. You do?
It's
Man.
the same, you know.
Oh,
Is
it's
that-
the same.
Grated cake
Huh?
and gizzard, I see the same
It's,
thing.
I know, they're different.
It's grated coconut cooked in sugar
Gizzard, they have
with ginger.
flour
Right.
and
And
pastry.
it's cooked for like a hour and a half, man.
And you put it in
And
the,
then you
a
make
dough.
what we call it
like
now?
a dough. And
A
you,
shot like a shot cut
Oh,
pastry.
I've seen that.
Okay, and then you roll it
You
out.
roll it and put it
you
in.
pinch
Yeah.
the
And then-
corners.
Pretty.
Yeah, then you
pinch
pinch
the
the corners
corners.
and you put your stuff in there and bake
It's
it.
very pretty. Yeah.
It's in New York.
Yeah.
You can get it to buy. But if you have never
That
seen
sounds,
gizzard?
that sounds good. I got a lot of eating to do. I'm listening, man, and it sounds good. I thought I've experienced a lot of Jamaican.
He takes a plane just to come down here to eat.
Yeah, it's all about eating, man. You know?
Yeah, I see. I got a lot of flying to do to come back and eat some of the things that you talk about.
And you know what's good? That when we were growing up, they the roast breadfruit, just plain from the fire, and we have the rundown with the shad in it.
Yes.
You know?
But the-
Oh
yes,
gosh,
yes.
and just eat the roast breadfruit,
Really?
coconut rundown with the shad.
Yeah.
Oh, the shad was the best one.
Yeah.
Shad.
Yes, I've had that.
Yeah, shad.
I bet that's
delicious,
nice. I
yeah.
love stew
And then stew peas. Every man in Jamaica loves stew peas.
peas.
Yeah.
It's a man's dish.
Yeah, that's true.
It's
But-
definitely a man's dish.
But for me, I love vegetable stew peas with a lot of coconut milk.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, the
It's
red,
wicked.
the
Enough
red,
people haven't
the
tried
red
that
stew
before,
peas
but-
with coconut milk
Yeah.
and some
Salt beef.
yes, salt beef, or you know what's on the market which is good now? The what is it again? The turkey. Smoked turkey. It's delicious, man. It takes the place of pork.
Pork.
It's delicious. I mean, that smoked thing. It's
Nice smoke flavor in it.
nice smoke. Oh my goodness me. Oh,
Stew peas.
the stew peas. You should
See?
go. I mean, you know about
But
that.
but
Kevin, get up at night and eat.
the weirdest thing is when a typical tourist comes to Jamaica, the first thing they start asking about is jerk.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Where
But
all
it
the-
don't taste as jerk. Sometimes it don't even taste like jerk.
You know what
Yeah.
happened? We stopped on the way the other day, and when we came here last, and we bought some jerk, and I was very disappointed.
It don't
You
taste
get
like...
the jerk in New York. We get the guys, Jamaicans up there, really can jerk some
But
some
these,
meat.
they're just everybody...
They're not jerking
No.
like
I think
They're
the
not
problem
seasoning,
I
they're
think
not-
the problem lies where
it's the quantity, the demand.
yeah, the demand is so great,
and
and
they're
not
not-
only
They
that
don't
though.
know.
Many of the people that come here
But it's here
can't
it's
really
originated.
handle
Get it now.
they can't really handle the spice, you know. So in order for these guys to sell the food, they have to cut down on the spice, or it's-
Yeah.
you know, or you won't be making no money
Yes,
because
but-
your customer base are tourists,
Yeah, they don't know.
and
the
they
difference.
can't handle
No,
the
they
heat.
do now because the tourists love the pepper. They really
Yeah,
do.
Some do, some don't.
going-
Majority
Yes,
of them
but
don't.
sometimes they don't season it properly.
No,
Yeah,
it's
that's
not
need-
marinated.
You know,
not
it's not
marinated.
like
Exactly.
that. You just rub it up
Because
and put it.
it's supply and demand.
Yeah.
But what I think that they should do is have like overnight, like barrels that they just marinate them
Yeah,
in.
yeah.
You know what I mean? And then
have
you,
medium,
right,
mild,
right,
and
right.
mild.
Yeah.
But because if you Jamaica, Queens, Long Island, they can marinate some. Anywhere in Jamaica, when you get a jerk chicken,
Yeah.
it's to the bone.
Mm.
It's brown and sweet. Yeah,
Oh, fireflies!
yeah.
You got hit.
No, this
So,
didn't burn. Just I saw it come over here.
and
They just
you
sitting there
know,
What, bird?
No.
do you guys remember when you used to go to the field and we cook at the field? You ever had that? When we were younger, we dig the food, and our parents used to, when I used to go to the field with my father, we used to dig the food and we cook there and make the big dumpling and
Yeah.
fried pork.
Yeah, and
We
yam
used to
and
eat pork,
yeah.
and we eat on the leaf.
Okay,
eat
okay,
that,
like the
yeah.
banana leaf or the cocoa leaf.
The banana man. Cocoa
But
scratch
everyone
your
used
throat.
to help.
Why?
Everyone, but we're afraid of cocoa leaf
No,
because
you-
it scratch you.
Cocoa leaf. Yo, put stuff on the cocoa leaf.
Yeah,
you know.
but-
Yeah.
Yes,
Everybody
I
chip
know.
in to help. Those days, everybody chip in to
Chip in
help.
to help, yeah.
You come and help.
Yeah, and everybody come and eat. If it's a ridge, everybody come and eat.
Cursing.
That's when you have like you have a ground. This person have a ground, and what we call a ground is a field. A field, you know, farm, you know,
Yeah.
and then this farm member come over and have.
No,
Oh,
this
we're
thing
getting
is
hit
getting
left,
bad,
right, and
yeah.
center. It's like New York.
Okay, we gotta cut this out now.
You cut that out, man.
You got enough, you can put
Yeah.
like a puzzle, edit it.
Yeah.
And see when you phase out,
Anato.
Uh-huh.
Anato plant. It's getting big though, Bob.
What's that?
Anato.
You get didn't I get paprika from?
The coloring when it's open, it has some seeds and
When you process it, you get paprika.
Boy, so many plants in Jamaica that you just bog your mind trying to keep up with them, boy, because there's so many herbs and